Hello, good evening. This is Joel Tigianon or JB Tigianon. Welcome back sa ating electrical engineering. So, meron po tayong problem dito na sasagutan. Ito po ang sabi. Direct current po ito, no? A copper conductor of a circular cross-section of 5 mm diameter is 5 meter long. Calculate the resistance at 20 degrees Celsius if the resistivity of the copper at 20 degrees Celsius is 1.72 times 10 raised mo sa negative 8 ohms meter. So, meron kang copper. Hindi naman sinabi dito kung solid to, no, or stranded, pero copper lang ito. So, assume natin na ito siya. Pag ganyan, okay? So, ang haba nito is 5 meter long. 5 meter, no? At ang diameter nito is 5 mm. Tapos given yung kanyang resistivity. So, i-calculate natin yung kanyang resistance R at 20 degrees Celsius. So, 20 degrees Celsius is considered as atmospheric temperature, shall we say. Okay, so ito po yung calculation natin dyan. Okay, so yung ating resistance is equal to kanyang resistivity of the copper. That's the property of the copper, no? And that is, and then L divide by M. Therefore, ang ating substitute natin dito, yung kanyang resistivity is 1.72 times 10 raised mo sa negative 8 times 5 meters ang kanyang long or length. Tapos, ang diameter, siyempre bilog yan. So, the area of that is itong binilugan ko to. Yan ang cross-sectional area. That is pi d square over 4. So, ang diameter niya is 5. Express natin in terms of meter. So, 5 times 10 raised mo sa negative 3 square divide by 4. So, if you crank the value, ito po ang lalabas. 4.38 meter ohm. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Sa bawat metro, meron kang 4.37 ohms. Okay? So, yan po. Thank you very much. Bye.